Tom, could you get us some coffee?
Sure.
Tom, could you get us some coffee?
Sure.
This is correct. You see you used McLaurin here. This is correct. You see you used McLaurin here. Yeah, I don't know what you call it, but this can't be right. Yeah, I don't know what you call it, but this can't be right. It would be very embarrassing. It would be very embarrassing. I'll give you a job myself. I'll give you a job myself. This is probably a total waste of my time. This is probably a total waste of my time. Yeah, you're right, Will. I can't do this proof. Yeah, you're right, Will. I can't do this proof. Most days I wish I never met you. Most days I wish I never met you. I didn't have to watch you throw it all away. I didn't have to watch you throw it all away.
Well, you'd be working on the cutting edge. You'd be working on the cutting edge. We don't like to brag about that, Will. We don't like to brag about that, Will.
You feel like you're alone, Will? You feel like you're alone, Will? Somebody who challenges you. Somebody who challenges you. You can't give back to them, Will. You can't give back to them, Will. That's what I'm saying. And that's what I'm saying. What are you passionate about? What do you want? I mean, what are you passionate about? What do you want? I just have a little question here. I just have a little question here. could be a janitor anywhere. You could be a janitor anywhere.
You know what the best part of my day is? You know what the best part of my day is? I don't know much, but I know that. I don't know much, but I know that.
This is a disaster, Sean. This is a disaster, Sean. I was just leaving. I was just leaving.
What is that?
That's your file.
What is that?
That's your file.